Hello friends, welcome back to the S3 Cloud Hub YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the new convert feature of AWS, or Amazon Web Services. So without any further ado, let's get started the session. So guys, this new feature allows customers to run heterogeneous database migrations using a web interface. You can use DMS Schema Conversion or Data Migration Service to assess the complexity of the migration, convert the source database objects to a format compatible with your target database engine, and apply the converted code to the target database. At a high level, the DMS Schema Conversion works with the following three components. The instance profile specifies network and security settings. The data provider stores login information for connecting to the database. A migration project contains a data provider, an instance profile, and migration rules. AWS DMS uses a data provider and an instance profile to create a process that converts database schemas and code objects. First of all, you create an instance profile where your migration project works. Here, you choose the virtual private cloud or VPC, its subnet IDs, and then the Amazon S3 bucket, where the migration project stores information. Make sure that you turn on bucket versioning when you create your S3 bucket. Now to write data to this S3 bucket, add the appropriate IAM role. Next, you describe your source and target databases using DMS data providers. DMS doesn't store database credentials. You add the connection information to AWS Secrets Manager. You can use Oracle or SQL Server as a source for DMS schema conversion. In this video, we use SQL Server as a source data provider. DMS created the source data provider. Next, you create the target data provider. You can use a MySQL or PostgreSQL database hosted on the AWS as a target for DMS schema conversion. In this video, we use Amazon RDS for MySQL as a target data provider. DMS created the target data provider. Now, you create your migration project. So here, you choose the instance profile that you created before. For the source and target, you specify data providers, database credentials that you store in Secrets Manager, and the IAM role to read your secrets. You can apply name transformation rules for converted database objects. Use these rules to change the object name to lowercase or uppercase, add or remove a prefix or suffix, and renames objects. In this video, we create a rule that adds a suffix to the names of all converted tables for all schemas. DMS created the migration project. Now you can convert your source database objects. The first launch of the DMS schema conversion requires some setup and can take 10 to 15 minutes. And then, after DMS launched the schema conversion, we choose the source database schema. And create a database migration assessment report. So this report shows the database objects that can be automatically converted to a format compatible with your target database. DMS schema conversion updates the report according to the selected database objects. Here you can see the conversion ratio for database storage and code objects. Also, you can review the SQL code of your source database objects. Here also you can save a copy of the assessment report as a PDF or CSV file. DMS schema conversion writes the assessment report to your Amazon S3 bucket. For objects that the DMS schema conversion can't convert, this report includes recommended conversion actions. Now, we convert the source database schema. The conversion process can take a few minutes. DMS schema conversion converted the source database schema. As we already know from the assessment report, some objects require manual conversion. When you choose an object in the source database, DMS schema conversion displays its code, as well as the converted code. You can see that DMS schema conversion added the suffix to the names of converted tables, according to the name transformation rule that we created before. You can review the conversion action items and see the source code that you need to convert manually. We select the converted schema and apply the code changes to the target database. This operation can take a few minutes. DMS schema conversion successfully applied the converted code to the target MySQL database. To edit the converted code, you can save it as a SQL script. DMS schema conversion writes the SQL script to your Amazon S3 bucket. After you edit the SQL script, apply it to your target database manually. Now let us review the target database and check that DMS schema conversion applies the converted code. Here you can see that the tables with the converted suffix exist in our target MySQL database. So guys, this covers the key features of Data Migration Service, or DMS schema conversion. Now I hope you all guys are now clear with this new cool feature offered by Amazon Web Service. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I will see you in the next lecture. If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.